guess it's time to go tiny mode. First, we turn this toothpick into a pencil. Perfect! Now we'll make a tiny little rectangle. And add these mini buttons. Stick on a tiny screen. Boom! A calculator! My new tiny set is ready. Now all my school stuff fits right in my hand. Hey, check it out! Aw, super cute! Let's test the pencils. Nice. Last time. You ready? Yep, let's go.
Not so fast, ladies. This is a tiny class lesson. Do you have anything tiny with you?
Yep, I do. Look.
Oh, well, then go on in.
Hey.
Show me what you've got.
I think I left all my tiny stuff at home.
Oh, really? Then you're not getting in! Go away!
Oh, let's see what I've even got in here. Oh, I think I've got an idea! Cut a strip, grab a brighter one, and fold it like an accordion. Add another one and place a little paper inside. Put it all together, add some pages, and the dividers are ready. Wrap it with a colored strip. And add some designs. Just like that. Wow! Turned out even cooler than I thought. This will be my ticket into class. I'm back!
Show me!
Check out my organizer!
Oh, how tiny! Go on in!
Yay!
Alright. Everything looks fine here. Wow. Such neatness. Good job, sweetie.
Thanks!
Oh my, this is terrible! Young lady, your desk is a disaster! Clean it right now!
Okay. Jeez. This is exactly what I need. Cut some cardboard. Fold it like this. And start building. Add a couple of dividers. Close it up. Decorate it. Add a handle. And glue on an elastic to keep it secure. Add one more sticker. Done! Perfect! Time to fill my new mini locker. There's room for literally everything. Hey, check it out! Wow, that's awesome! Teacher, what do you say about my desk now?
Cute locker. Everything's spotless. Well done.
Nice! I gotta finish this book. Aw, someone's tired. Here. Let's put this away for now. Oh no! Ah! How will I find my page now? I'll fix it. Nope, not this. What's this? Oh, yummy. Grab a baggie, a tiny pot, and some glitter. Pour the glitter inside. Add some liquid soap. No need to fill it up all the way. Now grab a colored sheet and cut it like this. Put the baggie inside. Make a tiny hole right here. Take this fluffy charm on a string and attach it. Well, I think it worked. Hey, look! Don't even talk to me! I'm still mad at you! Oh, this thing is so fun to squish! There you go. Calm down. And it works as a bookmark, too! Isn't that amazing? Phew. Maybe I just shouldn't wake her at all. Here.
The moment of truth has come!
Uh-oh.
Today is the test! Here you go. Get started.
Alright then. Let's do this. Huh? What's that noise? Oh my. Ooh. Hey! What's with the earthquake over here? Stop it! Failed. Let's use tape another way. First, fold it like this. Grab cute tape and seal the bottom. Now time to fill it. Colorful hydrogel beads will work perfectly. Oh yeah! Seal the top. This is so fun to squish. Now draw a little chill face here. Just like that. Done! Better make a few colors. You can never have enough squishies. Oh yeah, perfect. Here, for you. What's this? Ooh. Am I supposed to squish them? So satisfying. Looks like it's working. Let's check. Yes! Finally I can finish my test in peace. Oh, Ryan. I love you so much. Huh? What is she talking about? Okay, time to go! Oops! I'm so clumsy. Don't look there! Turn around! It's private! I know how to solve her problem. First, fold the sheet like this. Then cut it. Take one half and fold again. Use cute tape to seal the sides and bottom. Now add some style. Hearts will be perfect. Finish with some gems, and done! Hey, look what I made for you! Oh, what's it for? Put it inside your notebook. Now you can store your photos like this. See? Wow, awesome! And trust me, I've got plenty to put in here. And this one, and this. There! All set! Thank you! Bye!
Ready? Time's up! Start the test!
Darn. Cut a few donut shapes out of sponge paper. Make some circles from regular paper. Make more sponge paper donuts. And turn them into flowers. Stack them together. And place the paper circles on top. Cover with the last donuts. Done! Write answers inside and use when needed. Put it like this and no one will ever notice. See? Oh yeah, time for a snack! Wow, delicious!
Huh? Is someone eating in class?
Yum yum! Give me the chips, I love these! Oh yes!
Something smells good!
Oops.
Not bad! Tastes good too! Food is forbidden in class! Put it away right now!
Oh, why is teacher such a grump? Relax, I know what to do. Cut out a heart and add a lace label. Flip it and attach this clear film. Bring the sides together and fold here. Bag's ready! Now fold a yellow sheet like this. Draw these shapes. And cut them out. Write some nice messages inside. Perfect! Now crumple. And toss them into the bag. Like this. Psst! Look! So? These chips I'm eating in class are so good! Girl?
That's it! Hand it over! Let's see what you're eating! Huh? Is that… writing? Oh, sorry. I thought these sweet notes about me were snacks. Carry on.
Come on, pull the rest out. Finally, we can eat in peace.
Shall we?
We shall!
It's starting! It's starting!
Not this move again!
So not the vibe. Come on, join in!
Oh yeah!
Alright, class. Hey! Stop that immediately! Turn it off! We can explain. Save it. Sit down. Yes, ma'am. We're all ears. And totally bummed. Unless…
I don't know.
Just watch and learn. No phone, no problem. A few careful cuts are all it takes. Ready, set, hold! Funky, right?
No way!
Just watch. He's going down. Gotcha!
That thing is awesome!
I know, right? Such creativity. Hey! What's up? I'm pretty hungry.
Me too. Thanks. Oh, what just happened?
Oh, I guess my pocket was a little toasty. Whew. Okay. Hey, Mindy. Thirsty?
I guess. Thank you. Oh no! My new dress!
Today's gonna be different. Hey, these are for you. You like? Are you serious? Totally. You can do this for me, okay? Yeah, I got this. Don't stress. Is she in there? Yup, the time is now. You got this.
Hey, how are you?
Okay, take this.
Thank you. What's this? A love letter? Oh, you're the best!
Sorry, man. Oh, I can't do anything right. But that changes right now. Mindy has to know how I feel about her. I hope she likes it. Wow, isn't it neat? Here goes nothing. Ooh. Hey!
Hey!
Howdy. I made you this.
What is it?
Wait for it. Just wait. My love is growing.
Wow!
Nailed it. This was from me, by the way.
Thank goodness!
Finally.
Hey, Ryan. Check it out.
A new phone?
The newest.
Ooh.
Hang on to your seat, bro. This thing will knock your socks off.
Whoa, you weren't kidding. Wow.
Wait, let me borrow that.
My water bottle? No, don't do it!
No! My new phone! Ugh, I can't believe this!
That was rough, but maybe I can help. Let's go back just a minute. Before the phone fell to its untimely death. There. Stop!
What?
Trust me. Hope you're taking notes, cause this is a hack you'll definitely use. And you've likely got cardboard lying around, right? Okay, now turn it around here. And cover it with more blue paper. And your favorite stickers, obviously. But we can't forget about the back. Some popsicle sticks can do wonders. Just put them in on all the right spots. But these are arranged to be fully functional. See? Behold, a phone stand!
What?
You're gonna love this, trust me. Ta-da! You don't have to lean it on anything anymore. Just hit play.
Wow, this is a game changer!
Did you see her face?
It's a classic! Let's see.
Wait, I forgot to color in the balloon.
Man. What happened?
Look.
I'll show you how to fix this. All it takes is some tape.
Ooh.
Whew, it's awfully sticky. Oh no.
Wow. Look.
I'm kind of busy right now.
Look.
Come on.
Oh, she's sleeping.
So cute.
Right here, sweetie. See ya. Oh boy. Huh? Ooh.
Got it! I knew it was in there, see?
Nice. I know. Watch very closely. And next, see this little thing? Just stick the piece right here. Nice and snug. And she goes here. And then it's done. The perfect eraser keeper. Made by me for you.
Thank you! I'll keep it in here, safe and sound. Thank you!
Alrighty, here goes nothing. Just one more thing. Much better. A real Picasso.
I made it! I missed my bus, but I brought my brushes! Or so I thought.
Silly, Mindy.
But how? I dozed off on the couch and I must not have noticed. Oh, I've gotta go back! Oh, over there! You're coming with me! Ugh, this thing sure was heavy.
You need some paper?
Thank you. Nice. But I need… hold on. Excuse me?
You're home?
My backpack. It's a long story.
Say no more.
Wait, are these for me? I got this! And I don't even need my backpack. Just this cute little box and these teeny tiny containers. Next up, some more cute paper shapes. But it holds these little guys. And this piece fits perfectly in here, but we've gotta keep it safe. No, I'm not painting my nails. I just need this. Also known as my teeny tiny paintbrush. See? Now comes the paint. Whew! All done here! Thank you! Bye! I still have time for a little painting. And I mean that very literally.
What on earth?
I know.
All done. What do you think?
I'm done too.
Small but mighty.
Just you wait. I may not have cash for a new laptop, but I do have an incredible vision. Just keep watching what I'm doing. All these pieces have a place. These perforations? Pop them out and fold it like this. It fits right on top. And now for a mini keyboard. It fits right in. And we're watching something awesome! See? Our very own laptop! Isn't it spectacular? There's so much to watch! Ryan? You're awfully close. Can you see it okay?
Yep. Crystal clear. Hey, is that me?
Yeah, I guess. Anyway.
You drew me! Cool!
Okay.
I came prepared today. Oh, sweet pencil. All freshly sharpened.
What? Wow, that's pretty cool. I bet I've got some colored pencils somewhere. Found one! So dull. But it's all I've got. A pink one would have been nice. Green is just no good to me. Mind if I borrow your pink? Hold on. What about my Q-tip? And just in time, I feel a tear. Perfect! Ooh, give me some of that. BRB! Hey, some ketchup, also known as the perfect shade of red. And last but not least, hello yellow. Perfect! I'm back and fully loaded. Ready to see them in action? How cute! And with this Q-tip, I just need this end. 'Cause it goes right in here. But we still need color. Wonder what the back looks like? That's right! It can store all my markers. This'll keep them in place. And this helps me push them down. It's brilliant!
Yeah?
It's like 4 markers in one. Red, please. So cute, right?
Wow, you made that?
I made this too.
Very nice.